Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to stop seeing posts from a friend on Facebook. Sometimes you may find that certain friends' posts are filling up your newsfeed, and you want to take a break from seeing their updates. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website in your browser. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Friends. This will take you to your friends list. Step 3. Click on All Friends. Here, you'll find a complete list of all your friends on Facebook. Step 4. Scroll through the list and locate the friend whose posts you want to stop seeing. Step 5. Click on the 3 dots next to their name. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 6. Select Unfollow from the menu. This will stop their posts from appearing in your newsfeed without unfriending them. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your Facebook newsfeed and stop seeing posts from specific friends while still remaining connected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.